In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a burndown chart in ClickUp. To get started, head over to Dashboards in ClickUp and open the dashboard where you want this chart to appear. This is the space where your reporting widgets and progress visuals live, so make sure you're inside the correct dashboard before moving on. If you manage multiple teams or projects, it's worth taking a second here to confirm you're adding the chart to the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, click the plus icon labeled Add Card. This opens the card library, where you can choose from different reporting and visualization options available in ClickUp. Since we're building a sprint tracking chart, the next few selections are important. In the Add Card window, look to the left sidebar and choose Sprints. This section contains the sprint-related reporting tools, including the one we need for tracking progress over time. After selecting Sprints, click Sprint Burndown. Make sure you choose Sprint Burndown specifically, and not Burndown Legacy. The Legacy version is an older option, so selecting the current Sprint Burndown card helps ensure you're using the intended tool for modern sprint reporting. Next, select the sprint folder and then the specific sprint you want to track. This tells ClickUp exactly which sprint data should feed into the chart. Take your time here, especially if you have several sprint folders or multiple active sprints, because choosing the wrong one will display the wrong progress data. After that, review the chart configuration settings. You'll want to check the sprint source, the effort measurement, and any available display settings. This is where you tailor the chart to match how your team works. For example, your effort measurement may be based on tasks, story points, or another sprint metric depending on how your workspace is set up. Looking over these settings before you add the card can help prevent confusion later and make sure the chart reflects your sprint accurately. When everything looks good, click Add Card. ClickUp will then create the burndown chart and place it on your dashboard. From there, you can use it to monitor sprint progress, compare planned work against completed work, and keep an eye on whether your team is on track as the sprint moves forward. That's all it takes to create a burndown chart in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.